What if you could reduce inflammation, improve your gut health, and boost your mood all with one diet? An anti-inflammatory vegan gluten-free diet might be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Imagine a life with less pain, more energy, and a happier mindset. This diet focuses on nutrient-dense, plant-based foods that are free from gluten. By eliminating gluten and animal products, you can reduce inflammation and support your overall well-being. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats are the stars of this diet. These foods are rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and boost your immune system. Berries, leafy greens, and nuts are packed with phytonutrients and vitamins. Turmeric, a common spice in plant-based meals, contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these foods can lead to reduced joint pain and improved digestive function. A high-fiber diet promotes a balanced gut microbiome and healthy digestion. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of dietary fiber. These foods also serve as prebiotics, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut flora enhances nutrient absorption and strengthens immunity. This diet can help you maintain a healthy weight by focusing on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods. Portion control and mindful eating are key components of this lifestyle. Whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. The higher fiber content of these foods contributes to a greater sense of fullness. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, are essential for managing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in flax seeds and walnuts, support brain function and emotional well-being. Antioxidants from fruits and vegetables combat oxidative stress, improving mood stability. Complex carbohydrates help regulate blood sugar levels, leading to improved energy levels. Avoid gluten-containing grains, animal products, and processed foods to manage inflammation. Gluten can worsen inflammation, especially for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Animal products contain saturated fats and proteins that can trigger inflammation. Processed foods are high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives that induce inflammation. Plan your meals and snacks to ensure you have the right foods on hand. Read labels carefully to avoid hidden ingredients that may trigger inflammation. Experiment with new recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Listen to your body to understand how different foods affect your health. Be aware of potential nutrient deficiencies and higher grocery costs. Embrace the journey to a healthier, more vibrant you with an anti-inflammatory vegan gluten-free diet.